is for bear, who takes a nap. C is for cat, who climbs a tree. D is for duck, who swims with glee. E is for elephant, big and strong. Stomp your feet, come march along. F is for fox, so quick and sly. Tiptoe quiet, don't ask why. Come on kids, it's an animal parade. Learning letters in the coolest way. Clap your hands and move your feet. The ABCs are really neat. G is for giraffe, so very tall. Stretch up high, don't let fall. H is for hippo, big and round. Wiggle, wobble, stomp the ground. I is for iguana, green and small. Creep along the classroom wall. J is for jellyfish, swimming slow. Wiggle your arms, go with the flow. K is for kangaroo, jump so high. Boing, 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 touch the sky. L is for lion with a mighty roar. Roar so loud, let's hear some more. Let's all move and sing today. Animals help us learn and play. From A to Z, come shout hooray! It's ABC, the Tangy way. M is for monkey, swinging around. Ooh, now bounce the ground. M is for newt, hiding in grass. Tiptoe slow, then dash real fast. O is for owl, who hoots at night. Hoo, 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 in soft moonlight. P is for penguin, sliding on ice. Waddle, walk, now slide so nice. Q is for quail with the fancy crown. Flap your wings and turn around. R is for rabbit, who loves to hop. Bounce like a bunny, never stop. Alphabet fun with animal cheer. Letters and moves all through the year. Sing with us, don't delay. It's the Tangy Mango's ABC way. S is for snake, it slithers slow. Now on the floor you go. T is for tiger, strong and proud. Prowl like a tiger and growl out loud. U is for urchin in the sea. Curl up tight and roll with me. V is for vulture, flying high. Spread your arms and soar the sky. W is for whale, who sings a tune. Sway your arms like waves in June. X is for X-ray, fish gliding quick. Swish like a fish, now do a trick. Y is for yak with a woolly face. Shake your head and pick up pace. Z is for zebra, who gallops fast. Run in place, don't be last. A to Z, we danced and played with animals leading the fun parade. Clap for yourself, you did great. You're an ABC superstar, no debate. Ellie the elephant, big and round, stomps her feet on the soft wet ground. Swinging her trunk to the beat of a song, she walks through the jungle all day long. Stomp, 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 swing, swing, swing. Flap your ears and do your thing. Wiggle to the left, wiggle to the right. Ellie's dancing morning to night.
She splashes in rivers, oh what fun, spraying water in the hot, hot sun. She giggles loud with a happy cheer, all her jungle friends come near. Stomp, 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 swing, 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 flap your ears and do your thing. Wiggle to the left, wiggle to the right, Ellie's dancing morning to night. When the stars come out to shine, Ellie yawns, it's bedtime time. Snuggles close by a tree so wide, with jungle dreams by her side. Stomp, 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 swing, 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 good night Ellie, sleep and sing. Dream of the jungle, calm and bright, we'll see you in the morning light.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Row, row, row your boat past a jungle tree. If you see a sneaky snake, wave and say, hi from me. Row, row, row your boat past a jungle rock. If you see a sleepy bear, give his belly a knock, knock, knock. Row, row, row your boat, time to reach the end. Smiling in the waterfall with your jungle friends. Here comes Ellie, big and wide. Next is Auntie, trying to hide. One is huge, the other's tiny, marching side by side, so shiny. Cheetah zooms like a racing light. Turtle crawls but feels just right. Fast or slow, they make a team, cheering loud with one big dream. Lion roars a mighty blast. Mouse just squeaks but learns so fast. Loud or quiet, both are smart, singing proud with all their heart. Bunny hops inside her hole. Mole pops out, he's on a stroll. In and out they play all day. Peekaboo, then run away. Camel walks on desert sand. It's hot and dry in this wide land. Penguin slides on icy ground. It's cold and crisp with snow around. Opposite parade was fun today. We sang, we danced, we learned through play. Hot and cold, short and tall, now we know them one and all. Wave goodbye, then say hello. That's an opposite, now you know. Let's clap, stomp, giggle and shout. Opposites rock, there's no doubt. Johny Johny, yes Papa. Eating sugar? No Papa. Telling lies? No Papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Johny Johny, yes Papa. Eating ice cream? No Papa. Telling lies? No Papa. Show your lips, hee hee hee. Johny Johny, yes Papa. Helping Mama? Yes Papa. Good boy then? Yes Papa. Hug and smile, la la la. La la da ba la, ba la da ba la. stop, cars stand still, so do we. Let's count 1, 2,